Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Then we have to scroll down and find system. Let's tap on it. And here language and region at the top. Here let's tap on system languages. And this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it, for example, this one. So the language will be immediately applied to the list. However, the English, in my case, is still a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Then tap on change. And as you can see, right now we've got our language applied. Let me do it again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Then mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.